My name is Cherri Jacobs Pruitt, and I live in Lafayette, Colorado, in the United States of America. I am the producer and host of the Power of Partnership podcast, which launched in June 2023, and I'm honored to be part of the Global Crusade E-Culture for All initiative. Podcasts are a growing and significant contributor to our global e-culture. Podcasts are the great equalizer in communication because of the relatively low cost of production and easy access to the internet for so many across the world. And the content of most podcasts is not beholden to the commercial interests of large media corporations, so ideally can be trusted as holding an honest and authentic perspective. The Power of Partnership podcast brings you the stories of people who are part of the partnership movement and working to create a world that values caring, nature, and shared prosperity. The partnership movement was pioneered by Dr. Riane Eisler as an alternative to the domination systems that are at the root of our world's most pressing challenges. Dr. Eisler is a social systems scientist, cultural historian, and futurist, whose research, writing, and speaking has transformed the lives of people worldwide. Her partnership movement calls for a cultural transformation to one in which all relationships, institutions, policies, and organizations are based on principles of equitable partnership that supports linking rather than ranking, and hierarchies of actualization rather than hierarchies of domination. Her cultural transformation theory describes 4 cornerstones as being the foundation for every society: childhood and family, gender, economics, and narratives and stories. The degree to which we orient on a domination partnership continuum impacts the societal norms related to each of these 4 cornerstones. The Power of Partnership podcast is critical in today's time where there is growing instability and mistrust of leaders, of the media, and in many communities, mistrust of each other. This reality is forcing us to acknowledge the need to radically alter the divisive and destructive path we are on and create a world based on partnership. You can listen to the podcast on your favorite podcast library. And don't be scared to share your voice through the powerful e-culture technology of podcasts.